order to remember these, you either remember the table once it's complete, or you remember through these two triangles. The first triangle is an isosceles right angle triangle, where these two angles will be 45, and using Pythagoras' theorem, 1 squared plus 1 squared is 2, so that's the square root of 2. The sine of 45 degrees would be 1 over square root of 2, using opposite over hypotenuse. The same would be true for cos, because cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, so you come up with the same answer. Tan is easier still, because that is opposite over adjacent, so that is 1. Now the other two here come from an equilateral triangle, because the equilateral triangle has all angles at 60 degrees. However, if I drop a perpendicular down there, that makes that side 1. That makes that angle up there 30. And using Pythagoras' theorem, 2 squared is 4, 1 squared is 1. So this side is 4, take the 1, 3, so square root of 3. So if I start with the 30 degrees, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so that is 1/2. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, so square root of 3 over 2. And tan is opposite over adjacent, so 1 over the square root of 3. As for 60, use the same triangle. Sine of 60 is opposite over the hypotenuse, so square root of 3 shared by 2. The cos of 60 is adjacent over hypotenuse, so 1/2. So basically, it's the opposite way around for the 30 degrees. And tan is opposite over adjacent, so square root of 3 over 1, which is the square root of 3. As for the 90 degrees, if they come up, you have to refer to the graphs. The sine graph goes up to 1 unit at 90 degrees, whereas the cos graph starts at 1 at 0 degrees and goes down to nothing at 90 degrees. And the tan at 90 degrees, they have an asymptote at 90 degrees, because that's infinity.